Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making crochet puff flower earrings. Here are the materials you'll need. Any type of thin or lightweight yarn. You can also use mercerized cotton. Any small crochet hook. I'm using a B hook or a 2.25mm one. And the tapestry needle. For optional materials, beads. I have them in various sizes. E6000 or any type of strong glue, and earring stud bases or hooks. Of course, scissors too. Ready? Let's begin. Make a slip knot, then do 5 chains. Do a slip stitch at the first chain to make a round. Chain 2. Wrap your yarn around the hook and insert it through the center of the round. Pull through. You should have 3 loops. We'll be repeating this 6 times to make a puff stitch. Wrap your yarn, insert through the center, pull through. Let's do it for the 3rd time. Try not to be so tight and loosen your loops. 4th repetition now. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. 5th repetition. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. Last one. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. Once you get to 6, wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through all the loops. It should start looking like a petal. Chain 3. Then, slip stitch through the center of the round we created. And that's how you create one petal. Let's do one more together. Chain 2. Wrap your yarn around the hook and insert it through the center of the loop. Pull through. You should have 3 loops. That's 1. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. That's 2. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. That's 3. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. That's 4. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. That's 5. Last one. Wrap your yarn, insert, pull through. That's 6. Wrap your yarn and pull through all the loops. Then do 3 chains. Slip stitch through the center of the round, and that's your 2nd petal. I'll be making 3 more puff stitches for a total of 5 petals for this flower. Once you're at your 5th petal, chain 3 times like before and slip stitch through the center of the round. At this point, I like to puff the stitches using my fingernails so that the petals look cute and poofy. Once you're happy with how it looks, grab your scissors and cut off the yarn. Thread your tail into a tapestry needle. I like to have both my tails near the center of the flower. Use the yarn tail and weave your way through the round of stitches. Once you've made your way through the round, pull to tighten. This will close the hole in the center of the flower. You can leave it like this and weave off ends normally. But if you're sewing a bead in the middle of your flower, insert your tail into an embroidery needle. Sew on the bead using the yarn tail. When you're done, tie a knot using the two tails. Weave the tail into the petals. Cut off the excess yarn, and we're done! Once you know how to do the basic puff stitch, you can adjust the pattern to add or subtract the amount of petals in each flower. Here's one with 6 petals. For studs, I use E6000 to attach the flower onto the base. I'll link the Shopee store where I got them in the description below. For hooks, all you need are pliers. Open up the little loop and hook it through one of the petals. This is how it looks like when worn. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you decide to try it out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, bye!